Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing something a little bit differently today. I know I almost always rip sports packs, but I saw these listed on eBay. Apparently they've got potentially a Stan Lee autograph in here. I'm a little bit of a nerd for non-sports stuff as well. So just figured I would give these a try. It'd be sweet to get that Stan Lee auto, but very unlikely. Very unlikely. All right, who is that? I thought that was John Cena, but no, it's Jim Thorpe. And then we've got a very cool 6 of clubs, Hack Wilson. We've got this mini card, Warren Spawn. Don't really know how to pronounce that. For the Bad News Bears, we've got Tatum O'Neal. And then Don Maynard. And last but not least, we've got President Herbert Hoover. All right, interesting packs. Thanks for joining, guys.